So good day and welcome to another installment of Rainbow Kids 123. We are getting all prepared for the Cicada Challenge. So we had a lot of naysayers out there not believing that we were actually collecting cicadas. So as a quick little precursor, look at all them cicadas in there. Each one of those are going to be eaten for the sole purpose of, for every single subscriber who is subscribed up through this Friday at 5 p.m., we will eat one cicada for every single subscriber. So make sure to subscribe and we'll go out and we'll gather more. We're expecting a lot of subscribers. So if you didn't think we were serious about this, you just saw we just went out and collected a whole bunch from the local area.